Hey guys, this is DK Spencer, and this is a VKS that I just kind of threw together because I realized that I've got the dress up kits, but I don't have any examples to show actually what they look like. So I did this so I could take a couple pictures of it and put it on the website so people could see what the finished product would look like. So there's two different prices because the short butt stocks are like 29 bucks, and then the long butt stocks are like 59 bucks. So the price is exactly the difference between those two, depending on which stock you go with. So you've got the MCS butt stock, either this one or the short one. You've got a Magpul K2 Plus. So this is the good angle, and it's also bug turtle on there. It's also the soft rubberized grip, so it's very comfortable. You've got a 10 round mag, and then they come with a 15 round mag. So you get two mags. I know the 15 round mags are a dime a dozen, but the 10 round mags are like unobtainium. So basically, the price of these kits is directly reflective of the availability of the 10 round mags, in case anybody's wondering. Because the rest of this stuff, anybody can get it anywhere. I'm not marking up any of this. Like, basically, you're paying for the Cerakoted mags because you can't get the 10 round ones not Cerakoted, you know. So anyway, so that's where the bulk of that goes. And buttstock, pistol grip, handguard. This is Magpul, and then the MVG. This is the MVG, and then I've got the RVGs as well, which is a little bigger grip. That you can take off with a screwdriver, and then it comes with a low profile Picatinny section, so that actually matches. So anyway, all right. Obviously, the Holosun and the Magpul M-Bus sights, which, yeah, love them. I'll tell you what, I've bought more of the UTGs lately. I've used these way before I even knew what less lethal was. I love Magpul, so, and I'm sure you guys know that. But the UTGs, the UTG Slim, they're really good for this less lethal. Watch me shrink so my head's not cut off. I'm using like the thing where I can see myself. I hope I don't really look like that dude from Step Brothers. Because that's what I felt for a second there, I'm telling you. So, we got 9.9 gram hybrid Canada riot balls. This has not been sighted in. This has not been tested. Um, well, I mean, if I did everything the way I was supposed to do it, this will be a good number. But hopefully, I mean, this is brand new, so this thing don't even like. They gain a little. They definitely gain a little bit when they're brand new. Once you get them broke in a little bit. I don't know what to shoot. All right, I'm gonna shoot a pie pen. I'm gonna shoot one of these here pie pens. Put in the corner there. By the way, when I was shooting the pistols, I kind of did myself a disservice because until I started doing the two-handed thing, I wasn't aiming at the big middle target. I had the two little ones on the side, and I realized that probably everybody was watching that thought I was aiming at the big honking huge one in the middle and wondering, well, what's he reckon he couldn't hit that for? I mean, come on. All right, so huge, son. Nice. I hope you can see that. I can't. Yeah, 329. That went right through it. I don't know, like I'm surprised that it went through that. Yeah, whatever. I'll go ahead and do Do one more into that pan just for good measure. Right in the same hole, 326. So, all right. So, that is 49.5 joules. 49.5 joules. Yes, and we've got a nice shot lined up on the green today. I would keep doing this, but I know nothing about golf, so I don't know what to say to try to be funny, and I'll just sound stupid. Alright, so basically, for all intents and purposes, 50 joules. And this is, this is not sighted in anything, so whatever, but that's like a board. We'll look at how thick it is in a moment. Spider web. Jeez. I walked through a huge spider web. I'm not tripping out. Sorry. All right. Wow. Huh. That is a thick. That's a thick. Obviously cheap, but he went through that thing like butter, like butter. Wow. Goodness gracious. So I've shown you basically nothing you haven't seen a dozen times. Oh wait, I got. This is the Barra 400E fully automatic BB gun. It is powered by battery. It has, I think, about 500 shots or so per charge with the battery that you can get with it. So, I put this on for a reason, because I should be able to record shots with this, which for some reason I'm not having any luck with it. I went through like 3 different cards, and it kept telling me the cards were full. The cards were not full, they were brand new. But even formatted them, whatever. So anyway, need to figure that out. But the whole reason I even put that on there was that, because it's a bit overkill. But but it would be cool if I could, if I get it working where I can, full auto and record it and stuff. But so I've got the little cheap INXAR, whatever. Anyway, little cheap red dot on the top there of the Wraith. That's a Sightmark Wraith night vision. And people, like, I've had people ask me before when I've had videos of it, like, is it Gen 1, Gen 2, whatever. This is digital night vision, so this is not rated in the generations like the old school stuff. This is digital night vision, so it's a whole different thing. A whole better thing. So, this thing, it's actually proven to be pretty doggone accurate, which, obviously that's awesome. I've watched other people's videos, and basically it's testing out around 400 feet per second with BBs, which is, about what they say it's supposed to do. So great. I haven't personally checked mine. But the one problem that I have so far with this thing, and you guys know I've got a pretty good collection of stuff, and I take really good care of my stuff, even the stuff that I beat the heck out of. So I've literally only had this out shooting like 3 times, and too short to even really video it. And I've already paint missing from here all the way back. Okay, there's a nick there. I've not dropped it, and it wasn't there when I opened it. It looked like it was brand new. Okay, it was brand new. That's not what I'm saying, But the finish on this, I'll have to Cerakote this thing. Either that or just battle worn it, just like for real battle worn it. Because it'd be very easy because it pretty much is doing it itself. But I really like the quality of it. It's not a one-to-one AR receiver like a VK. Well, a VK is not a one-to-one either, but it's closer than this by a long way. The way this is made, other than the finish, is excellent quality. Like really good quality. Nice mag well around it. But it's not real. It looks like there's a nice mag well. Look at that fake shell. But anyway, it's the sound of it, and it's like hearing it in the videos and hearing it in real life. That would be my biggest thing. I don't know, I can't really call it bad, it's just different. And I guess the one thing, I like to shoot steel, and I feel like that the sound is a longer sound than it would be if I were shooting like a regular, like something powered by CO2 or compressed air or whatever. And I feel like that it almost like keeps making sound when I would be hearing the steel. So I don't know, we'll see. I have to hit the steel. Okay, so, and I was actually shooting it at a little shorter distance before, so as long as you stretch it out a little bit, I would say that's 40 feet maybe. That's probably 40 feet. So, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna okay. Now I'm going to just kind of shoot a group at the top left. Oh no, we're not really doing it very well. Actually, I'm gonna go here. Okay, so Barra 400E fully automatic battery powered BB gun. I'm not using the scope, I've got it covered. I'm just using the little cheap red dot. And I'm gonna shoot at those little guys.